Teacher Adet, and I am a Filipino. I have been teaching English for quite some time now. I had also experienced teaching English to Koreans as their personal tutor. I prefer teaching English to the beginner and intermediate students from 13 years old up to 20 years old. I can offer you basic English course such as correct grammar use, sentence construction, word pronunciation, and vocabulary enrichment to develop your writing, reading, and speaking skills. I hope I could get a chance to work with you, and let's have a very light and interesting way in learning English. See you soon. Bye.